Hi, welcome friends. In this session we are going to demonstrate the double dish metallography polishing machine that is used for the microstructural samples. Okay, so just to introduce ourselves, this is first time we are displaying a double dish polisher metallography type from Magnum Opus International. You can find us on Google via this logo or our website with this name www.magnumopusinternational.com. Okay, so welcome back. Now before I proceed, let me just physically show you what the machine looks like. It is this machine, and there are two dish available. These two are the covers, so inside you will find those two dish. Okay, these two are the water dispensers. Normally in these type of machine only one polishing dish is used as a wet polisher, the second is being used as a dry polisher. Okay, so as you can see, this is a semi-automatic digital display type of machine, and before starting it, let us check whether the power is on. Yeah, the power cable seems okay, so the switch is on. Now before starting the machine, you need to check from the back of the machine. Okay, so you see here, this one is the power cable. Please don't touch the machine. Okay, so this is the indicator that the power is on. This is the water outlet, that is the drainage outlet basically. Okay, so from that side, if you could just show, this is the water inlet. Here it is. Yeah, this is the water inlet, and in case both are being used as wet analysis, we can connect one more pipe here for the drainage of water. So that is what the outlook of the machine looks like, right? Now before we start the machine, I want to show you a few things. That these two are the covers. Now these two are dish, right? Now what is the size of these dish? So let us see. This one is the 8-inch dia. You can show it from a little distance also, that's fine. And the second one also looks like a 8-inch dia. Now how you need to clean it, what you need to do. So it is this way, it is removable, it is mounted on this. This is the water outlet here inside. Yeah, this one is a water outlet, and this is the water inlet. Okay, so this is how, just to give you an idea how the machine has been assembled. Okay, so basically the machine is made from all these plates casting have been the aluminium type castings. Okay, so these are aluminium type castings, and it has been mounted like this. I am again fitting it back. Both the dish are same. Okay, so I am not showing separately how it is, right? So these are the two machines. Now when we are using this as a wet polisher, so here we need to understand there are certain consumables that we use. So this one is the alumina paste, then we have the diamond adhesive paste, then we have the gamma type 0.6 microns polishing paste, and then we have is fast pour, that is for the faster polishing of the sample for the grain boundaries. Okay, so these are the four things which I just quickly wanted to brief you up. Now coming back to the machine, let us see. So as you can see, this is the front panel of the machine. This one is right. Now here is the sticker of the company that has manufactured it. The first one green, this one is the on button, power on button. This is for the adjustment of the time and the RPM. This is for the reversing the direction of these dish. So if you want to reverse the direction, you have to use this button. This is for decreasing the value, this is for increasing the value. Now how I do that? So I'll show you, see how it does. I switch on this. Okay, so there is no need to show this. Okay, so this is how now you can show this. So here you have the RPMs. Here it is the minutes or the time for which you have programmed it. Okay, so for every similar types of sample you can program it as per the standards, that for how many minutes at what RPM you need to polish the sample. For example, now if I don't right, so you can see it has started. The RPM reading has been 335 and it is for 3 minutes, right? So I can show you, it is both the dish. So this is how it starts. Okay, you can move back. Yeah. So this is how for this particular programmed time it starts moving. Once it is, the timing is up, RPM stops. So the basic working of the machine is very simple, right? Now it depends on what type of samples you take. So again, for different types of sample you need to have different combination of the liquid polishing media. Then you need to use different type of velvet cloth in this, and basically this polishing comes at the 4th stage in metallography examination. The first stage is taking out a sample, second stage is mounting of the sample, third stage is coarse grinding and fine grinding, and fourth one is polishing. So in the 4th stage you need this machine. Okay, and basic details are already given, what you need to take the precautions. So then we do have a manual. As we normally show it for all our machines. Then we do have a complete image analysis system where we try to show all these things. It's okay, you can show it from that distance, right? So here whenever we want to have analysis of grain size, you need to have as per ASTM E112. For phase analysis it is ASTM E562. So similarly you have for modularity, porosity, and coating thickness, all these as per the standards we can observe. Okay, so today's demo seems to be quite simple because there is nothing much in the machine. Now if you want to slightly have understanding of what does this machine have, so basically you can see there are 2 dish which are mounted on a pulley type of arrangement. There is a motor on which it is mounted. Okay, so then there is a programmable IC and a variable delta drive to reduce the speed in steps, to make it variable and simple. So that is what we have right now. This polishing machine is working on a single phase 230 volt, so it can be used anywhere. So that's a good thing about the machine, right? So I think that's it in this session, and thank you all. If you have any queries, you can write to me in the comment to this video whenever we post it on YouTube for you people, or what you can do is you can write to us on our email ID also. My email ID is sandeep@magnumopus international.com. Thank you. Bye.